Previously on Hidden Motorsports.
I am so confident that it's going to be done today that I just got off the phone with my insurance, pulling it out of storage. So, it is what it is.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
You are angry. It's okay.
Honestly, guys, I don't even know why I built this thing on an engine stand. I gotta take it all apart once it's in the car. So, the day I was planning on starting it up, I gotta pull the whole water pump, the fan, the outlet, and the front inlet, just to get to the stupid front turbo. I don't even know if this turbo line's leaking. Oh, I'm so annoyed. Build it in a stand. Water pump, oil pan, valve cover, put it all together. I have to take the oil pump, or the oil pan off. I gotta take the valve cover off. I've had to take the water pump off. Woo-sa. 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 And the only thing that I can think that could have possibly been wrong is this hose right here might have been leaking, causing the whole freaking problem. But I couldn't tell because I can't see crap under this car when everything's put together. And I'm about to put it back together. And if it still leaks, I'm gonna burn it to the ground. What's up, guys? It's the morning after Indy. We're back in the garage. We gotta work on this pile of crap. We're gonna drain the coolant for the third time. The last thing you guys saw me do, well, I don't know if you saw me do it, but I told you I did it, is I pulled all of this apart, checked for leaks, and put it back together. Well, it still leaks. So what we're thinking is, where it's leaking from is this bolt here on the front turbo's wastegate. Well, there's a coolant line right above it. And this coolant line attaches to the block, and it utilizes an O-ring. We're thinking that O-ring might be pinched. Luckily, I don't have to tear the whole bottom of the engine off to get to it. So I just got to drain the coolant and pull the expansion tank. Then I should be able to access that pretty freely. Check it out, put it back together. So, wish me luck, guys. We're going to get after it. Oh, this is so relieving. Please stay dry, dear Lord. Still nothing yet. I think we're in the clear. I'm gonna put this thing on the charger because I didn't do it. I didn't think that it was gonna work. And just like that, she looks like a car we started working on, what, 3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago? Something like that. A lot of weeks ago. But it's over now. Gotta prime this oil system and press the start button and hope for cool noises, not bad noises. Interesting.
Got all your fuel stuff plugged in. Check any leaks underneath.
Fantastic, guys. As you saw us have problems the other day trying to start this thing over, I was getting a 2A9A error code for inlet cam synchronization. So pulled the valve cover off, looked at it, and was like, oh, this thing's about 30 degrees out of time. So we went ahead and grabbed the timing tools, alignment tools, and checker, whatever, pinned it in the back, and got the timing set proper. So I'm going to put the valve cover back on, plug in all the wires, and hope to God that this thing starts. Right now we're really hoping that whatever threw this thing out of time was just someone's negligence and not a crank hub failure, because if it was a crank hub failure, all these valves might be jacked. I bought this engine sight unseen, didn't do a compression test, didn't do a leak down test, didn't check the timing before I threw it in, obviously. So it is what it is. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work, but here's to hoping. So I'm gonna go ahead and get after that, and we'll see you guys in about an hour. All right, first startup attempt number 1,000,000. I don't even know anymore. Probably I don't have this thing all the way together. It's not important, guys. What's important is that it starts. We hear what it sounds like. Ready.